Hello everybody, my name is Michael. We're going to be taking a look at Python Crash Course Try It Yourself problem 2-9, number 8, and 2-10, favorite number. In 2-9, number 8, we are tasked with writing addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operations that result in the number 8. We are to enclose these operations in a print call. Let's first call print, and inside insert 4 plus 4. This will equal 8. Let's then call print again, and insert 8 minus 0. This will also result in 8, but for a subtraction. Now for a multiplication problem, let's do 2 times 4. That will result in 8. And for a division problem, let's do 64 divided by 8. Now if we call these functions and run the program, as you can see, we get 8 for each scenario. It is important to note that the division operator returns a value in a float format rather than in an integer format like in the other three examples. Hence why 8.0 is received in the terminal. In 2-10, we are tasked with using a variable to represent a number, and this number is technically your favorite number. Then using that variable, we are to create a message that reveals that integer, and then we were to print that message. We will first create the variable for the number. So we will say number equals 10. Next, we will create a variable called message, which will house our actual message containing our number. We will format this with an F string, and we will write a message that displays our number. The number is 10. Instead of inserting 10 directly in here, we can actually use the F string syntax to insert our number variable in case that number variable ever changes over time. We will then just call print on our message variable. By running this code, you can see our message will print the number is 10. This has been 2-9 number 8 and 2-10 favorite number. Thanks so much for watching.